Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Jaguar F Pace on level ground and engaging the electric parking brake. Chock the wheels front and rear to prevent roll. Turn the ignition to on or start the engine so the electronic shifter is active. Do not attempt shifting with ignition OFF unless using the manual release. Press and hold the brake pedal firmly. This is required to unlock the gear selector. Keep a flathead or plastic trim tool available to access the manual release cap if needed during troubleshooting. To shift into neutral during normal operation, turn the ignition to on and depress the brake pedal fully. Most F-Pace models require the brake interlock to release. Press the shifter unlock button or push the selector release, then rotate or move the rotary gear selector to the N position. Verify the instrument cluster clearly displays N and test by releasing the brake briefly to see the vehicle creep a few inches on flat ground. If the selector remains locked, check the brake pedal switch and the 12V battery voltage before attempting further action. If the 12V battery is dead or the electronic shifter fails, locate the small removable cover near the gear selector. Use a flathead or plastic trim tool to lift the cap. Pull the manual release lever or insert and depress the release mechanism to disengage park and place the transmission into neutral. Do this only with the parking brake fully engaged and wheels chocked. For towing, attach a tow bar rated for the vehicle's curb weight and drive under 30 km/h, 20 mph, per typical guidelines. After towing or battery replacement, restart the vehicle, verify gear engagement, and close the release cover to restore normal shifter function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.